17.
Dang.
Hey, big. Tell me what y'all think. God damn, that's big. Yeah, the tire's in decent shape. So, we getting ready to snatch these spindles up off here. So, I think that'll be good for my truck. Call it a day. Yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
Alright, y'all. Good afternoon. Evening, whichever one it want to be. But this is your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. Just wanted to slide in and talk to y'all a little bit, just a little bit about doing a little Ram talk. Okay, let's talk about a little Ram talk. Yeah, everybody know I'm new to the 1500 Cummins and all of that good stuff that comes along with the pickup action. Like I said before, that was my thing. Car and Tahoes, Suburbans, you know what I mean? Cadillac trucks. But this whole new experience I'm getting ready to go through. I've been going through it for a few years with it. I done had it for 5 years now. I believe it's about 5 years, yeah. 2021. So yeah, 5 years. And since then, I done did a few things to it. Nothing real major. Y'all see, I did the headlight. As y'all see, I did the tow mirrors on it. And maybe you can tell it has a 3 to 4 inch torsion key on it. So I raised it up in the front with a leveling key. So that has been done to it. Plus I done did the whole 20-inch rim thing with the 35s on it as it sits. So now we are getting ready to enter a new field of the water. We getting ready to go a little further off into the water, a little bit into the deep end, because I want it to be a little bit higher. I want to do a little bit more to it. So with that being said, as y'all always hear me say, me and my trailer park SEMA build, we know we ain't gonna never make it. Well, we ain't gonna never say never about nothing. Anything's possible. So I just be joking around, but I'm gonna make it into a decent rig. Now, mind you, it does not have the Cummins in it. So it's a gasser. It's the 5.9 Magnum engine V8, 4-wheel drive, you know, all that good stuff. And it's time for a change, but I like my truck. And hey, look, times is tight right now, so it ain't no going out buying a new truck or none of that stuff. So we gonna make our old truck into a newer truck. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but Maybe y'all gonna stay along for the journey. A lot of people done already did this. Some people might decide to want to come give me some comments that want to help me along with it. So this is a new journey. So being said, like I said, getting ready to go jump into waters to do something a little different than just the leveling kit. Even though I'm not going out buying a brand new kit. I told y'all, trailer park SEMA build. So we're gonna do it the old ghetto fabulous way. All right, y'all probably seen in a previous video, I went and picked up the spindles off of a Dodge Ram 1500, and it wasn't a Cummins. It was just a regular old 1500. I don't know what engine. Oh, matter of fact, it had the 5.7 in it. So, with that being said, I grabbed the spindles and then ended up going back and get the cross member, the drop bars. So we have the front drop bar. Well, actually, the front is right here, still hooked to the lower control arm because I couldn't get it off. Because, as y'all see, it started stripping inside there. So, we just slid off with the whole thing. She told us go ahead and take it. So we have the front. Sorry. Excuse me. We have the front drop bracket. See, I'm new to this. Front drop bracket. The skid plate, that's actually where the torsion keys would go, but that eliminates the torsion key if I do it with that way, where the torsion bars would go right into it for me to do the whole setup. So that way, and then we have the center drop bar, which is hooked there. So that, which of course goes to the skid plate. Yeah, new to all of this. And being as I'm new to all this, I found out I need possibly, not a guarantee, some of y'all correct me if I'm wrong, extended sway bar links. I've been kind of looking things up on some of this stuff, but right now, that's what I have right now. I have the drop brackets for the lift kit. Come to find out, the lift kit is actually BDS lift kit. I looked up the numbers on the spindles, and that's what it came up with. And then when I went to BDS, this is actually everything to it. So therefore, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can take these rusty parts and turn them into something. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You know what I mean? Hey, y'all think I'll be able to make it work? Y'all think I won't be able to make it work? But it's a new field that we sliding in. And it actually, I found one at the junkyard, one of the blocks for the back. I do have blocks, but I think my blocks is going to be too small, so we'll be squatting. We'll see how that go when we do it. And, you know, we got a makeover coming for it. She up here, bud. She's right here waiting on me to finish. So we're going to see how that go. And new tires. We got ready to paint the wheels. We got ready to do a whole shaboodle. So it's a lot coming for this truck. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Slide in the comments. Let me know something. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. I got the rack and pinion, so it ain't no point in me just throwing the rack in. You know what I mean? I have everything. I have the rack and pinion. I have new sway bar bushings. I have sway bar links. I have the outer and inner tire rods. I have rough country 5-inch or 6-inch shocks for the front. I haven't got the back shocks yet, so that's the one thing I don't have is the back shocks. But we got work to do, y'all. So I'm gonna say stay tuned, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the whole ordeal. It's getting ready to go down. When I say something coming, something coming. Hopefully it'll be something good. If it's bad, y'all let me know, man. Fill me in, let me know. Nah, man, don't do it. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna do it for the first time and see how we go from there. And then, you know, I gotta do it for my first time having a pickup truck. I gotta put a lift kit on it. That's one of the custom things that, you know, I want to do. I've been wanting to have a big pickup, but I never had one. So now that I have one, we're going to go ahead and go further than what it is. So that's how she's sitting right now. Hopefully things will change. She got a paint job coming for her. We're getting to that with the color. But the color scheme going to be pretty tight, I think. So y'all just stay tuned, man. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Stay tuned for the build. It's getting ready to be a whole complete build because I got interior coming. I'm getting ready to do the whole interior swap. I'm getting ready to do a whole lot. So, like I said, stay tuned on a poor man's budget. Peace. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, holla at me. Comment, let me know what y'all think. Yay, nay, don't do it. I know it's a lot of people out here that did this truck already before. So, let's see what I can do to it. Let's see what my vision will be for it. So I'll catch it. They say, hey, check me out, y'all. Your boy done inquired.
Nothing shit about going
A lift kit. Y'all probably like, what lift kit did you acquire?
You got bit by a fucking
You know
mosquito.
what I mean? So go look that number up if y'all need to. But it is a BDS
Yes, and
6-inch lift kit.
Gonna be kind of hard 'cause,
So this is where we at, y'all. Y'all let me know. Spindles, drop bracket bars, skid plate. Even got the torsion key replacement, so where you don't need the torsion key for it in the back.
I don't know.
Yeah, y'all. It's getting ready. I'm getting ready to have fun. This is my first. I'm gonna say it again. But will it work? After I clean it all up, I done sprayed the spindles with degreaser to get all the rust, the rust off of it as well. So I'm still working on it. So, and we went back and got the rest of the lift kit off the truck. Of course, I got the lower control arms too because that star screw, it actually stripped on me. So I still got it all at a good price. I didn't need the lower control arms. So, but I got them at a good price. They're like, don't even worry about it because I didn't want that. So y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You know what I mean? Did I steal it? Huh? Y'all think we could do something with this? It's going to be a beast, y'all. It's going to be a beast. We getting ready to put her to work. We getting ready to do some work to her. My brother said that was a steal. I only paid. What y'all think I paid for that, man? From the junkyard. If y'all grabbed that from the junkyard, what y'all think I paid for that? You know, if y'all got it in y'all area, y'all tell me what y'all think. Drop down in the comments. Because this is a steal. Even though I didn't steal it. You know what I mean? 140 bucks for basically a complete lift kit. I got all the bolts. I got everything else. Every bolt that came out. That way I can replace it if it's a bad bolt. But a lot of the bolts came out, they wasn't rusty. They was like fresh. But, you know. We got a lift kit, y'all. It's getting ready to change. I tell y'all, change is coming. Y'all see her. She a scrap truck. But a lot of that's getting ready to stop soon. There go my paint things right there for me to set my stuff up on so I can paint. All of that right there. Yeah, because we get ready to paint. We're going to sand. And we're going to rust protection. Then we're going to paint. So, let me know what y'all color y'all think too. But, yeah, y'all, I'm excited. And we got a new tailgate as well. Change is coming. Change is coming. Stay tuned. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Peace.